someone older, just a little bit colder. Take the weight off your shoulders. Think I need someone older. Baby, am I a little secret? 18, I'm old enough to keep it. Yeah, guys.